The Wonder Kid strikes again!
Jaydon Hibbert, the freshman sensation from the University of Arkansas, has clinched the prestigious Bowerman Award, making history as the first Jamaican to receive this honor. Hibbert's remarkable achievements include securing 2 straight indoor and outdoor national championships in the triple jump, along with setting 2 NCAA records, shattering marks that had stood for over 37 years. For those unfamiliar, the Bowerman is the highest accolade given to the year's best collegiate athletes in track and field, named after famed Oregon track and cross-country coach Bill Bowerman. Hibbert's triumph carries broader significance, placing him among 4 other Bowerman victors, and notably, he is the first international recipient since 2014. Congratulations to Jaydon Hibbert for this outstanding achievement. The latest breaking news in the world of track and field. St. Lucia's Julian Alfred has made history by winning the prestigious 2023 Women's Bowerman Award, solidifying her status as an unparalleled sprinting sensation in collegiate track and field history. Alfred, a former Texas star, has left an indelible mark with her outstanding performances, including setting NCAA records in the 60, 100, and 200 meters. Her exceptional talent and leadership were instrumental in securing the Longhorns' 5th outdoor track title. Representing St. Lucia on the world stage, Alfred's remarkable journey includes a standout performance at the World Championships, where she finished 5th in the 100-meter dash. Also in sport news, Jamaica's first gymnastics gold medal at the Pan American Games. Jamaica's Mariah Gordon secured the country's inaugural gymnastics gold medal at the Pan American Hopes Tournament. She triumphed in the 11-12 uneven bars category, showcasing exceptional skill and determination. Gordon's remarkable 12.233 overall score, with a 3,600 difficulty and 8.633 execution, placed her ahead of competitors from Colombia and Panama. Category. Jamaica's outstanding performances led to a historic 4th-place finish in the overall team standings, marking a significant milestone for the nation in the world of gymnastics.